Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Incampo, and I'm here to give you a little bit of insight into my design process. In this video, we're going through a website design I did for a Long Island pizzeria. I've already did a process video for the logo and the menu, so this actually completes the little series that I was going for, but I'm going to be giving you process for plenty other projects in the future, don't worry. So I don't want to go into too much detail, but basically this is just a mock-up. It's not the development. I might release a development in the future if people want me to do that, which I could do. This is basically where I would end. When I'm sketching something, I would get to the illustrator stage, I would present this to the client would give me the go-ahead, we'd make some changes, and then I would go to development. So this is right before development, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Do you want to see a development? Do you want to see something different? I want to get my process on all the stuff I design, so just stay tuned and leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you.